Hi students, all of you, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss new unit. It is under inorganic branches. Inorganic. Unit 4, chemical bonding and molecular structure. Okay, this chapter is very important because of in examination having a more number of questions will appear in this unit. Okay, this is having a 12-hour syllabus. Okay, 11 marks of weightage. In 11 marks, in your question pattern, part B, in that 2 marks, 1 question, total you get 2 marks. Part C, 3 marks, 3 questions, 3 into 3, 9 marks, total 11 marks. Okay, in this 3 marks question maybe appear directly 3 marks, either 1 marks 1 question and 2 marks 1 question, maybe has. Okay, students, in a question paper, 13th question is appear in this unit of 2 marks and 20, 21 and 22 numbering question is appear under this unit 4. Okay, did it clear? Okay, fine. So next we are going to discuss detail about chemical bonding and molecular structure. You observe noble gases. Okay, the noble gases are, in the last unit we discussed detail about some periodic table. The noble gases is 18th group or 0 group we called as because of stable electronic configuration presence in that 18th group elements. Okay, in a noble gases, what are the noble gases is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, both having a stable electronic configuration. They exist what? Independently. Means, what is the term of independently? They have a free state or a pure state. Means they have getting in a single state. All those have occurs in a pure states. Okay, pure states. So other elements, noble gases left over the other elements, not in a pure state. Those are all in a combined state. Okay, so combined state or not independently. Not independently means the elements are combined with other 2 or more elements to forming of occurrence. Okay, other elements ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ? ಬೇರೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ a hydrogen not getting a hydrogen atom. This is hydrogen molecule, chlorine molecule, like this. This is not in a single state. Single ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. This is combined with the same atom. Some of the other elements are combined with different atoms to joining a combined state. Except noble gases, remaining all are in a combined form. Okay, how they are combined? These is belong to the chemical bonding. Okay, the chemical bonding is under, this is the combination of combining state. Okay, we go to the definition of chemical bonding. Okay, the chemical bonding, the definition is the attractive force which holds various constituent Constituents means what? Either ions or atoms or molecules. Ions or atoms or molecules. Together in a different chemical species. Okay, this is about the definition of chemical bonding. Let's see here the attractive forces. The attractive forces which holds various constituents means ions, either positive or negative ions, or atoms, any atoms or elements, or molecules, any other combines of molecules. Molecules means two or more the same or different elements. This is a molecules together in a different chemical species. Okay, this is called what? Chemical bonding. Okay, in this chapter we are going to discuss several numerous questions will be up here. What's the questions will be up here? Why do atoms are combined? Okay, so first question is why do atoms are combined? ಯಾಕೆ atoms combine ಆಗ್ತವೆ? Will be some questions arises. The second question, why are only the certain combinations are possible? Why are certain combination are possible? ಯಾಕೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ why do molecules possess different shape? Okay, the molecules will give same structure, but actually we have observed going different type of structures will be appear. Why this structures will be appear? So many questions will be arises, and some of that why do some atoms are combined, but other certain other elements, other atoms or elements do not. Do not means these are possible questions. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕಂಬೈಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಬೈಂಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್? ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್, ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. Okay, under the concepts of VSPER and VBG and MOT. VSPER means valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, valence bond theory, molecular orbital theory. Okay, under these types of different theories will be said chemical bonding. Okay, let me go for discuss detail. Okay. First one, the scientists Cosell and Lewis is approaches to chemical bonding. Okay, what's the approaches the two scientists Cosell and Lewis? Okay, students. So next to Cosell Lewis approach to chemical bond. So two scientists Cosell and Lewis in the 1960 they observed and satisfactory explanation about the valence, so called as valence, on based noble gas configuration, inertness, so noble gas configuration is NS2 NP6. It's a stable electron configuration, means total 8 electrons, outer shell electrons are 8. Okay. Kosel and Lewis, why they mentioned valence? Because of the valence means valence. It is only outer shell electrons that participate in the formation of chemical combination or chemical bond or formation of molecules. Okay. So why particularly Kosel and Lewis taken based on noble gas configuration? Because see noble. So which are the noble gas elements? Helium, neons, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, like. So this is atomic number 2. This is 10. This is 18. Okay. This having 1s2 and neon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Okay, this is I like as 3s2, 3p6. This is outer electron configuration is 4s2, 4p6. As we discussed in the last previous classes. Okay, so see here, this is completely filled. Okay, electrons are completely filled. This is except helium, remaining all are 8 electrons. This is called what? Octet. 8 electrons. 2 plus 6, 8 electrons. This is 2 plus 6 outer shell electrons. How did you identify outer shell electrons? For example, is sodium. His atomic number is 11, right? 11 means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. This is 10 and 3s1, right? So what is this one? This is a nucleus. This is the first shell. This is a K shell, right? This is L, this is M. The K shell is completely filled with 2 electrons. So here 1 electron and 2 electron. This is what? Nucleus. Okay. So remaining L shell having 6 plus 2, 8 electrons. 6 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons. Okay. So one more orbital is there. This is called what? K, L, M, right? So in this shell we observe. So in this shell 1 electron is there. Okay. So this is called what? Outer shell electrons. Okay. This is called what? Outer shell. And remaining all are called what? Inner shells. Those are all inner shell electrons. Clear? So definition is what? Valence means what we call valence? Outer shell electrons. The sodium having only the one outer shell electron is present. Okay? So only outer shell electrons that participate in a formation of chemical bond. For example, we take NaCl. Okay? So sodium is only outer shell electron is 1. So Na only 1 electron is there. Okay? So Cl is 17, right? 17 means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. This is 10, 12 and 3p5. Okay? So just observe here. Outer electron configuration means this is completely filled, This is K, L shell is filled. This is M shell. How much of electron is 5 plus 2? This is called what? Outer shell electrons. Outer orbital or outer shell electrons. 5 plus 2, 7 electrons are there. 7. This is chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So here only the outer shell electron is participate to formation of chemical bond. Chemical bond is formed either electrovalent bond or covalent bond. Will be discussed later. Chemical bond, how they form? This is forming of three factors. One is loss of electron, either gaining of electron or sharing of electrons. Okay. So here the sodium is 1 electron. Is losses 2, okay? The sodium is 1 electron is losses to combined with chlorine atom. Either chlorine is gained 1 electron from sodium atom. They have forming of NaCl bond. This is called chemical bond. This is one of the covalent bond. This is do you observe how much of electron is based on this noble gas configuration means 8 electrons. See here how much of electrons is present 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is 8 means what? This is obey the noble gas configuration. Either you consider sodium, this is also having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the combinations is completely based over noble gas configuration except helium. Helium is a duplet. Duplet. Clear? Okay. So now actually this is all about valence. How did you form of Purcell and Lewis approaches of chemical bonding? Okay, next to the Lewis. The Lewis suggested one of the term that is called what? Kernel. Kernel means what? The nucleus plus inner shell electrons. Kernel means nucleus. This is a nucleus. And inner shells. Inner shell means the sodium having 2 plus 8, 10 electrons. Inner shell. This is called what? It's called what? Kernel. Remaining are, what we write? Remaining are outer shell that could accommodate a maximum. How much of electron is accommodated to forming of 8 electrons? Maximum at 8 electrons. Okay. The Lewis is explained. The kernel means nucleus plus inner shells and remaining outer shell electrons is accommodated to maximum capacity of 8 electrons. Okay. This is suggested by Lewis. And now going to the Lewis symbol. Okay.